Okay, I got the car fixed up, back to daily duty. It's a little bit worse for wear here, but not too bad considering what it did look like before. It's good to have it back too. The summer is short enough as it is. Driving a no-door Blazer ain't bad, but we keep getting rain, so that's no fun either. So I'd known already this fender was getting rusty, bubbly, you can see it right there. And apparently it has already had body work with a stud welder. That's still not ideal. I wonder if I can heat that up and help it at all. This part is not a Z26 part, so I can actually find it maybe. These, yeah, that's gonna be a lot tougher to find. So all I had to do for the radiator was just kind of pull this back out. It was stuffed back here behind it. But the fact that I only have one mount, I don't know if you can see it, I got one mount right here holding it in place. It's probably a good thing because it just went cockeyed like this rather than actually bending and breaking. So the radiator itself still looks fine, which is good because that had some of that custom work to make it fit. This bumper shock definitely collapsed and then it came back out. And actually when I unbolted the front bumper bar, it popped out this far again after that. This one didn't go in straight. You can see how far that went in and kind of bound and then came back. It was already here when I started taking it apart. The other one looks okay. Side to side, this one I think looks okay. This one's definitely bent. So that's another piece I'll have to grab. So I checked for straightness and the unibody is totally untouched. So that makes me happy. So even this time around, I still kind of dodged a bullet. The steel bumper's totally screwed. No doubt there. But this is straightening out better than I thought it would. So maybe I'll do my bra that I had in my first car. Slap this back together when I get a new steel bumper and put a bra on it like my first car and rock and roll. All right, I'm going to take her home and give her hell with my actual heat gun instead of that hair dryer. See if I can get that a little bit better. Okay, I just flashed a test tune in it. And I want to see if I can get more flames out the headers. I changed the fuel cut RPM limiter to, I looked at the spark tables and did my negative 20 degrees thing like I was doing for the two-step. And I'm wondering if that'll work for just like a regular rev limiter while doing burnouts.
Well, here comes the boy with his derby car. Kind of sounds like it, kind of looks like it too.
So I've got a buddy who's actually given me what I need to fix the Beretta. He has this fine piece of 90s right here. Look at that splash. And this bumper ain't great. A little screwed up here, but it is straight. And I do have that bra to put on. Oh, you climbed on the Blazer all by yourself. Good deal. Well, I get Beretta stuff. So my buddy wanted to remain nameless, but he gave me a back bumper, a front bumper. It's pretty rough, but it has the steel support that I need. Turn signals, the bumper shocks, in pretty good shape. Okay, cleanup time for both of these. There's going to be some serious drift stitching going on with this one. So now I'm going to be a Beretta parts hoarder. So that's the T56 bumper, the new bumper, another new bumper, and this is for my old Z26. This makes a decent welding bench in a pinch. Now this is my anchor point for a tow strap. Okay, street exhaust back on, and a new solution over here. This had a 3-bolt flange that was a freaking nightmare. I was going to change the 3-bolt flange, but this actually works way better. I had another problem where this pipe wouldn't come out without dropping the subframe down a little bit, and now that solves all my problems in one shot. Hopefully I don't have a little exhaust leak here, because I don't love these clamps, but this is going to work, at least for now. Gotta put the regular headers back on. You can see I got exhaust coming out the back in street mode. Now I just got to fix the brake pedal that's all screwed up. Wow, yeah, there's some bendage. So that's supposed to go straight back from that bolt to the other point. That's got to be a huge bend in there. The good thing is, it does appear that the bend is in the master cylinder push rod, and it's on the 7/8 one, which is the rear brakes that I had locked out, so that makes sense. Or wait, is that one a 3/4? I have an extra 7/8. I don't have an extra 3/4. I almost think that's 3/4. Man, who designed a car where you got to pull the whole friggin' dash out to get to the master cylinder? Wait a minute, that's not right. So this thing is all bound up and I can't get it off the studs. So I'm gonna have to just cut it. There we go. You get off of there. Okay, I'm doing a solo bleed job here. I took my syringe, forced the fluid in through the bleeder. That works pretty good. Can't really do that with this clutch bleeder, but I can submerge that entire thing right in the bottle, hit the pedal, do it that way. Doesn't work too bad. Now I've just got to some of the fluid that came out of there, but I'm out of fresh stuff. Now I've just got to use that same syringe, fill up the clutch reservoir, and I should be in pretty good shape.